Hi, John from the Mill with This Week in Weather. 1 week till Thanksgiving. We have a cold front that's going to come through later on Thursday after dark. The line of showers, nothing big, maybe a couple tenths of an inch. As we go out into the future, though, here is the GFS. Friday, we have a pretty good cold front coming through. It's going to feel much colder. Probably highs in the mid-40s. Friday night, upper 20s, maybe some mid-20s. A stiff wind, it's going to feel pretty cold. Next weekend, pretty fantastic weekend. 50s, low 50s. Sunday should be really nice, mid-50s. But the next week, we have quite a system coming through. Low pressure redevelops off the coast. And this is a lot of cold air. This is the 522 ridge of cold air right over the mid-Atlantic. Big time upslope mountain snow showers and snow squalls out Deep Creek, Snowshoe, West Virginia, and maybe even here in eastern Maryland on Tuesday morning, Tuesday afternoon. There could be maybe a snow squall, snow shower. Definitely in the cards with highs in the upper 30s. Going out into Thanksgiving, actually looks like a really nice Thanksgiving. Normal temperatures. I remember last year it was 75 degrees. I had shorts on. This year, low to mid 40s. On Thanksgiving, nice day for travel. Should be fantastic. After that, it's going to be an active period out into the future with a storm somewhere around the East Coast every 3 to 4 days. Let's look at some soil temps. They have rebounded over the last week with the sun. The sun is still quite strong. So they are still in the mid-50s. Baywater temp down in Annapolis is actually up to 57.8. Interesting stuff. Oh, by the way, we do have a really cool occurrence. If you're up early Friday morning, we have almost a full lunar eclipse of the Beaver Moon, which will be, the height of it will be around 4 o'clock in the morning, but you'll be able to see it from 2:30 to 5:30, at least partial. So that should be interesting to watch. Let's look at some rainfall for the next 10 days. Here is the European model. 0.61, GFS, 0.63. That includes the system coming through Thursday evening and the one next Tuesday. But now, since we're out into, let's look at some snowfall totals. The GFS says eastern Maryland could get an inch of snow showers all around here. But out in Deep Creek Lake, 8.1, Snowshoe, West Virginia, a foot. So, should be some really interesting weather next week leading up into Thanksgiving. But this weekend looks really good for any outdoor activities. Still, not too late to put your lime down or even your last app of fertilizer, half pound or less. Awesome time to do gypsum too. It'll make your lawn so much better next spring. So, hope everyone has a fantastic fall weekend. A lot of football games. Now I'm going to a playoff high school game tonight, so we'll see what happens with that. And next week, we will do an update on Tuesday for Thanksgiving. Have a great weekend. See you next week.